Good morning, guys. Welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to pull the rear main seal out of this truck. We was able to get one today. It's a seeping. I'm going to get the rear main seal put in. If I get the flywheel and the clutch and transmission put back in today, so bring you little guys along with us. Try to get this thing put back in. Okay, got the seal out. I apologize, I didn't video it. I was just trying to. Ain't got much room up under here, and I was going to be in the way of the camera, but got it out. So waiting on the parts, seal, and everything. Supposed to be here in a little while. Boss man going to get it. Be back in a little while. So we see, like you see, got it out. He's got a special tube there that bolts against the crank to put it back in straight, so it won't leak. So when he gets back with it, we'll get her slid in, get the flywheel and the clutch put in, and get the transmission put back in. Okay, if you can hear me, you can see got the new seal put in. Like I said, I forgot the video that too, but anyways, I got it put in. There's a special tube that bolts to the crank. Got a big nut on the back, so got a stud on it. You slide it over that piece that bolts to the crank, and you just push it, takes a ratchet and just push it straight in there, straight. So got that put on. Now let's see if we can get this flywheel put in there. Alright, got the bolts snugged all the way around. I'm going to torque them. Torque at 180 foot-pound torque wrench here. We're going to torque them and just keep at it. Flywheel put in. We'll try to get the clutch. Almost. Oh man. Get the clutch put in. No, I'm just trying to get it out away from the belt housing. That's that old line you've got that being cut out, plugged. This thing ain't wanting to hook nowhere.
Can't hook it up where you adjust it there.
Yeah, pull some slack out of it. Just wait a minute. All right, see if you can pull it a little bit. Yeah. Wait a minute. All right, a little bit more. One more. One more.
Ready?
Yeah. Hold on a minute. All right, keep going. Wait a minute. All right, one more. Okay, got the clutch put in. Pretty tough, but got it put in. I'm gonna slide the transmission in.
Good morning, guys. It is the next morning. I just got real busy yesterday, kind of in a rush, trying to get some stuff done. You can see flashlight. We do have the transmission already put back in. Got it put in. Got some water lines here. And water lines come to the floorboard. I got to run them back, hook them up. Got a lot of it done. Ain't much to it. I hooked the water lines back up, drive line, put the gear stick back in. So just keep at it till we get her done. Okay. Got the transmission and everything put in. Got that top brace put on. I'm gonna find it right there. Got it put on. Got the speedometer sensor hooked back up. Got the air line hooked up. So we'll get the drive line put in. And the gear stick, all the plate up there put back in. It'll be pretty much well done. Just keep at it. Okay, got the drive line put in, got the I've lost track of mine. Half moon key or half moon hold down the bolts, both sides got them put in, tightened down. Drive lines put in. Thing we like, I reckon, pretty much is the gear stick. So we'll get it put in a little bit and get this thing wrapped up. Okay, got the drive line put in, everything. Got my new gasket. Get the gasket put down, get the gear stick put in. come on this other side and help me hold the light. This light. Alright, got the gear stick put back in, got the lines hooked back up. There's two that goes right inside here, one side of the transmission, one goes back to the transmission. Got all them hooked up. Start getting the plates put back down, get this finished up. Okay, got all the plates put back on it, got all the screws put around it. Gear stick's done, it's done in here, so got to do a few more things outside. I got to put turbo clamp on, and this truck will be done, ready to go back to work. Let's get back and get her done. Okay guys, this will be it for this video. I apologize, it ain't been too good. We've kind of been in a rush getting this truck done. You can see I'm out of the shop with it now. I'm going to run on down and get a little chips with it, try that a little bit. So this will be, like I said, this will be it for the video. Please like, subscribe, turn your notification bell on. Hope the next will be better. See you on the next upload. See ya.